Well, what do we have here? Let me tell you, we got a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. This beauty has a 6.2 liter V8 under that bonnet, black exterior as you can see. Also has the black bow tie package. Exquisite vehicle, crew cab as you can see, with the short box, full leather interior, center console, all the bells and whistles, including, of course, you can see the C71 package. This came off the truck yesterday, delivered here, Middlebury Chevrolet. Plastic still on the seats, plastic everywhere in the interior, has not been test driven yet. And this is available to purchase or lease here at Middlebury Chevrolet. I guarantee you, you won't find another like it. So get it while it's hot. This won't be here past the weekend. 802-382-2200. Give us a call. Middlebury Chevrolet.